Hello guys, in this video we are going to test the ConvertKit app, like how to install it and how to configure it. So first of all, on the agency level, search ConvertKit and then install it. So if you want to install it on all the locations, so install it on the agency. So if you want to install on a particular location as well, you can also install it. In our case, we are going to install it on all the locations. So here I proceed. So here wait a few seconds, like it is installing on all the locations, so it will take some time after this. So in this section here, all the install apps will be shown here. So search here configure ConvertKit and then configure it, and there is the API key. So for the API key, first of all you need an account of ConvertKit. So here I created an account of ConvertKit. So to get the API key, first of all click on your profile and then click on settings. So after clicking here, go to the advanced, and here is the API key. So copy it, and after copy, go again there and put the API key. So after this, submit. Then your credentials are saved in the database. So after this, you can use this application by going to the automations, like there, create a workflow, and all the actions will show there of ConvertKit applications. Thank you.